welcome to my midlife crisis, where today I'm going to tool around and do an audio video check, and hopefully you guys can help me out by letting me know how everything sounds to you. Man, I hate traffic in the afternoon. It makes it hard to have fun. Alright, I'm getting impatient. Okay. This, like I said, is a test. This is only a test. Not the emergency broadcast system. The midlife crisis system. It's thoroughly tested for crises on a regular basis. And I happen to be riding on one of the crises. Ooh, I was thinking about going down there. But I can another time. It's a big neighborhood over there. Now, we'll cruise down to Central Park. Arboretum. I've got headphones, earbuds in my ear, so I might sing for you. No, then nobody will watch the video. I get it. See, we could go down the Longa Branch. Let's do that. Then we can take Old Union around and maybe go to the beer store. Oh, there's a siren in the video. in the song I'm listening to. Of course, immediate. Where is he? Peaches for sale. Well, I love some peaches, but I don't have a lot of room to carry bag of peaches and go to the beer store. Do not enter. It so makes me want to enter there. Why is that? Tell me something I can't do, and then, by golly, I want to do it. Woohoo! Let's see. Oh, there's that siren again. Whoop. One of those quick ones. I'm going out the proper way. And stopping at the stop sign. In post. Get the blood flowing. Tad. Tiny bit. Those are kilometers. All numbers on all speedometers in all my videos are in kilometers per hour. I swear. I wouldn't lie, officer. Yeah, ooh. Corvette. Ooh, I want to troll that guy. Which way is he going? He's going to be gone by the time I can get back there. Unless he's following me. That could be. I don't remember seeing a turn signal. Here, Corvette. Here. Let me troll you. Oh well. Better luck next time. He's a wimp. He didn't want to play. That's what it is. I'm sure of it. There's your friendly neighborhood pipeline. What the hell that is. Bum, 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 bum. Oh, somebody got yielded. Someone didn't yield to the yield sign. Wonder how they bent the top of it like that. It didn't go all the way over. Huh. I don't know. Alright, so now we're going to head to the beer stove. Because I want some beer. A bug just hit me. You know I'm filming. Take 2. Yeah, definitely let me know in the comments how you like the sound of this bike too. I guess under the vein of audio quality. Video quality, I won't open my visor. That'll lower the video quality immensely. You don't really want to look at me anyway. This big ass road, 35 miles per hour, so we better stick to that. What is that in kilometers? 400? No. It's probably about 100 in kilometers. Nah, I think it's 100, like 60. 61.2, something like that. Alright. Don't you come out at me. Ooh, more people here than usual. Interesting. I wonder if they're having a sale. Alright. Ignition control deactivated. Man, I hope this turns out good. I didn't even get to tell you. Maybe next time I'll tell you all the crap I've been jacking around. Sorry for the open visor. But anyway, so yeah, I've been jacking around with cameras and audio equipment and adapters and all kinds of foo. All right. Don't pass me. Don't try anyway. Boy, the sun's beating down. 90 degrees. Alright. Don't scratch the victory. Okay. Call it a wrap. Call it a day. Yeah. That's me. It's you. You see me. Yeah. It is so hot. You are getting fogged up. That's crazy. Just from the humidity that was in the garage or when I opened and put the camera thing in. Okay. See you all later. You know what? I do have, before I let you go, please click subscribe below. It helps the YouTube algorithm find me and keeps you up to date on new content. Also, if you like the video, please hit the like button. If you didn't like the video, then please hit the thumbs up button. Finally, let me know in the comments section how the video and audio quality is, and I guess also what you thought of the sound of the bike, especially. All right, ciao.